How's it going, YouTube? Today we are taking the door panel off of this Jeep Wrangler. All you should need is a plastic pry bar, a pick to get the cover off behind the door handle, a T30, and then also a T15. So first we'll go ahead and take that cover off. It's going to be right behind the door handle. There's a little cutout at the very top. Just kind of stick your pick in there, kind of pry it free. Just a couple little prongs holding it in place. That's going to show one of the T30s, and you're going to have two more T30s underneath the armrest. So I'll go ahead and take those out now. Alright, now we'll move to the bottom of the door panel. You're going to have two T15s on the bottom. Alright, now that we have all of our hardware out, you should have 5 bolts, 2 on the bottom, 2 underneath the armrest, and 1 behind the door handle. Now we can actually pry the door panel off. I do go ahead and grab a thicker pry bar, because I forgot that these Dodge ones sometimes can be a pain in the butt. They're super tight, which this one looks like it's going to be. It'll sound like you're breaking the door panel, but you really do have to use a lot of force. Just kind of keep that in mind. Just kind of find where it's tight. And it should start popping free, like so. I got lucky on that side. This one looks like it's going to be a pain. There it goes. Alright, so it looks like they're all popped. At this point, you should be able to go ahead and wiggle it up. Kind of like so. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the wiring harness and the door cables on the back. I'm going to try to hold this door panel with one hand. Kind of show you guys this wiring harness and the door cables. As for the door cables, they're just like your typical door cables. Just kind of slide them up, cable comes up, pull the ball around for those two. As for the wiring harness though, you have 2 over here, but it actually leads down to 1. So all I have to do is just pull this little red tab and just your regular same style push pin. Just push it out, wiggle it out, and you should be good to go. But yeah, that is how you take off the door panel on a Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for watching.